Samsung just keep on surprising. The S23 Unpacked will be packed with more products than you can imagine. The iPhone 14 series is not the only product that Samsung is about to challenge. Oh yes, a big surprise that no one expected is happening. Behold, the birth of a new Ultra device is happening after the Galaxy S Ultra and the Tab Ultra is about to welcome the Galaxy Book 3 Ultra, Samsung's first ever Ultra laptop. Apparently, this will be powered by the upcoming 12-core Qualcomm Oryon chip that's going to rival Apple's M-series laptops. This brand new Qualcomm chip was built with a company called Nuvia that also built a lot of Apple's A-series chip until M1, which means a lot of ex-Apple engineers have worked together with Qualcomm to design what could possibly be the first ever proper challenge to Apple's M-series chips. And well, it's very likely going to power the Galaxy Book 3 Ultra. Samsung's collaboration with Qualcomm is looking insane for 2023. Other than this incredibly powerful and battery-efficient ARM-based chip, Samsung will of course bring class-leading bright display and incredible design to its very first Ultra laptop. Now we're gonna see two more laptops, the Galaxy Book 3 360 and the standard model, so it's definitely gonna be a trio of Samsung X Qualcomm laptops. I gotta say, Apple is being really tested in 2023. Also in the news, the entire S23 series will get a brand new front camera sensor coming at 12 megapixel resolution with the dual pixel technology. This new sensor combined with a powerful processing algorithm is gonna improve photos with more clarity and better low light performance. This new processing also applies to the ultra wide as well as the zoom lenses, which means despite having the same hardware, we're gonna see better results compared to the previous generation. Now the surprises don't end yet. Perhaps this might be the biggest surprise of them all. The S23 Unpacked could bring the comeback of the fan edition Galaxy S flagship. Yes, Samsung is planning to launch the Galaxy S22 FE with some real nice key upgrades like a new 108 megapixel camera, Exynos 2200, a 6.4 inch screen, all for an affordable price, basically replacing the Galaxy A74. We're now going to get a proper respectable flagship in 2023, possibly around $500 range in the form of Galaxy S22 Fan Edition. Guys, I've never been this optimistic about a Samsung Unpacked event, but let me know what you think about Samsung finally coming after everything that Apple has done. The 12-core Qualcomm chip in the Galaxy Book 3 Ultra, I'm super excited to see what it can bring to the table. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.